Let's make the Black Mojito from Kraken Rum. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the Black Mojito from Kraken Rum. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you enjoy this drink. I already do have a video on the Mojito. I'll link that one down below if you want to check that out. I'm not going to repeat the history here. We're just going to get right into this drink. And if you're going to make the Black Mojito from Kraken Rum, you really have to use their Kraken Black Spiced Rum. You can use other rums and mojitos, but then it's not going to be the Kraken Rum's Black Mojito. To make this drink, we're going to start by muddling some of the ingredients in the bottle of the glass, and this is a Collins glass. The recipe says 2 slices of lime. I hate that sort of measurement. How big is the lime? How thick are the slices? I guess it doesn't matter. I'm going to see, hopefully these are going to get to the bottom. Maybe I should have cut them in half first. They'll get in there. They'll muddle just fine, I'm sure. Mint, and it says mint. How much mint? Who knows? I'm going to put in enough. How much is enough? Who knows? And I think that's enough. Finally, 1 tablespoon of sugar. 1 tablespoon is something in metrics. I'll give that to you later on. I'll put it in the subtitles down below. Now to muddle that. I'll be right back with you. Now that I think I'm done muddling, I'm going to stir this up a little bit. Unfortunately, because of the lime slices in there, I did have to pulverize the mint. Normally I don't like doing that. I prefer to just gently release the oils and essences. But, you know, you do what you do. Now I'm going to fill the glass with ice. And I'm going to add 2 ounces of the Kraken Black Spiced Rum. 2 ounces is 60 milliliters. Where's my jigger? Clearly I was not quite ready to do this video, but 2 ounces, 60 milliliters, Kraken Rum into the glass. And they don't say to stir, so I'm not going to stir at this point. However, I am going to top it with a club soda. I've got Chawipis. You can use whatever brand that you like. I'm not emotionally attached to this one. Add a straw. And no garnish listed. So, there you have it. The Black Mojito from Kraken Rum. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day, what is your favorite type of mojito? Let me know in the comments down below. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I do have t-shirts available. If you'd like a t-shirt, contact me through any of the social media links down below and we'll make sure you get one. While you're at the social media links, feel free to follow and subscribe to any of those. Finally, if you made it this far and you like the Kraken Rum, or if you like me making Kraken Rum drinks, feel free to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on anything I do. Until next time, cheers.